Everybody, Brian back with the Cardano ADA token update. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do. We're going to do that 100 ADA giveaway next week, last day of the month. One subscriber is going to win that, and all you have to do is hit the subscribe button to enter. And this is Cardano on the daily, and boy, we're just coiling up in here. That is for sure. I've been keeping an eye on this daily, obviously, and waiting for this breakout. But we're going to dig in a little bit deeper here, see where this is at on Fibonacci, and see what the RSIs are like, and see when we could maybe expect this to happen. But here we got Cardano founder blasts piece of garbage anti-crypto White House report. All right. After the new economic report from the White House caused quite a stir in the crypto industry over criticizing digital assets as too speculative and risky, as well as offering no fundamental value, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has used some scathing words to rebuke it. Indeed, Hoskinson commented on the annual economic report of the president, also known as a hatchet job in the crypto community, stating that its authors were blaming crypto for the current banking crisis that the authorities themselves had created, as he explained in this YouTube video streamed on March 22nd. As he stressed, the report's authors argued that crypto had delivered none of the promised benefits, such as decentralized custody and control of money, financial inclusion, improved payment systems, and mechanisms for the distribution of intellectual property and financial value that bypass intermediaries that extract value from both the provider and the recipient. He says, bullshit and piece of garbage. The Cardano founder dismissed these conclusions as bullshit, pointing out that they're trying to blame us for this banking crisis they created. That's what's happening in these reports right now. We didn't create this. Big money backs tiny loans that lead to debt, despair, and even suicide, straight from Bloomberg in 2022, as he further highlighted. They give you bank failures, money laundering, nepotism, and corruption, 100% interest rate, 6% cost to move the money around the world for the poorest people in the world, the 3 billion poorest people, then with a straight face rate this piece of garbage that says everything we do hasn't accomplished anything. In addition to calling the report a pathetic joke, Hoskinson also argued that reports like these are a silent danger because these are the things, not speeches from Biden or Trump. These are the things that work their way into legislation, into policy, into oversight. These are the things that are taken as canon, and nobody pays attention to them. Nobody reads them. 500 pages right there, and that's by design. Wow. Yeah, if you want to go on to read this, the rest of this whole article here, boy, he went off, that's for sure. But this article is on Finbold, and I get the YouTube video. Was there a link here for it? I don't believe so. But I'm sure you wouldn't have a hard time finding it, that's for sure. Wow, holy cow. Yeah, that, so anyway, I'm not going to comment too much on that. I don't like to get into politics, but if you want to dig a little bit more into that, you can go right ahead. Here's your top 100 for the day. Arbitrum's having some problems, not sure what's going on there. Mostly green on the board. Fear and Greed Index, market cap's up 0.73%, volume's up 21%. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. That's great for the altcoins. And we are at a 57 in the market sentiment. We were at a 62 yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and losers for the day. And you can see down here at the bottom, Arbitrum, right down here. Wow, down 89%, and Arbitrum IOU. If you own that coin, you might want to go look into that. Something not right. So this is Cardano on the daily. You can see the RSI down there on the daily is at the top. The 12-hour is rolling over, and the 8 is heading it's starting to curve up. So where's our 1 and our 4? Our 1's going down, and our 4 is turning down. So looks like we could. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but it looks like this thing could maybe come down here and bounce around some more. I believe we're coiling for a break out of here. I really do. Bitcoin has formed an inverse head and shoulders, and so has the total 2 market cap without Bitcoin, and it almost looks, let me see something here. I really didn't check this out too much, but this looks like a head and shoulders here on Cardano. Yeah, really does. Wow, my mistake. I never even noticed that, but we definitely have a head and shoulders pattern on Cardano inverse. That is fantastic. Geez, oh boy, I didn't even notice that. That's embarrassing. Yeah, we have an inverse head and shoulders on Cardano. Super bullish pattern. Definitely what you want to see. Like I said, though, I'm expecting a breakout of here in within the next day or two. I would imagine this thing's going to work itself out. It's coming to a head here. We had this down sloping resistance. We had the breakout. We had the retest, and we have been ranging. Had this range high yesterday before that FOMC meeting. I thought we were going to bust out of there, so I'm going to keep an eye on this thing, and boy, things look absolutely fantastic for Cardano. So thank you very much. Please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here every day, and thanks again.